play. K for kids play area. KIDS kids PLAY play AREA area. Kids play area. Kids play area is a fun space for children to play happily. Kiosks. KIOSKS kiosks. Kiosks are small shops that sell snacks, drinks, and souvenirs. Key card check. KEY key CARD card CHECK check. Key card check. Key card check is to scan cards to enter special areas safely. Kitchen. KITCHEN kitchen. Kitchen is a place in flight where yummy meals are prepared for passengers. Multiple choice question. Where can you buy snacks and sovereign? A. Kiosks. B. Kiss at Fly Zone. Or C. Kitchen. And your 5 seconds starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is option A. Kiosks.